Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the speed test comparison between these two pen drives, in this EVM Elite and the SanDisk dual drive Luxe Gold. And I've been using both this pen drive for a while now, and I'm the right person to give my opinion which one you should buy. And both comes with a Type-C connector, as you know, over here. And if you want to get this pen drives, guys, you all can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And the price keep on fluctuating, so I'm having the 64 GB of the EVM pen drive, which is just costing somewhere around 500 to 600 rupees, whereas the dual drive Luxe is a 128 GB, which is costing around 1250 rupees. So in order to get this particular pen drive, guys, you all can just check out the link in the description. And both of these come with this wonderful design Type-C connector, which you all can connect to your Android phone and a MacBook Pro. And the build quality is no slouch, and it is one of the best build quality I have seen on both of these devices. So the only thing what I want to do right now is the speed test comparison. So I'm going to use Crystal Disk Mark to do the benchmark, and I'm using the peak performance mode because I want to find out what is the maximum speed you all can attain with both of these particular pen drives. And on the left hand side I have the EVM Elite Dual, and on the right hand side I'm having the SanDisk dual drive Luxe Gold. And one thing what I noticed with the SanDisk, guys, is the color keeps on fading. I'm not sure why, because I'm extremely careful when I'm using this particular pen drive, but I'm not seeing any discoloration or any fading on the silver model. So you get also a silver model for the dual drive Luxe. As you all know, I've been using it for the past 4 years, and that is working like a charm. Maybe the speed is reduced after 4 years. I will be doing a follow-up video, but I have purchased last year another pen drive, which is the silver one, and it is having a blazing speed just like this SanDisk dual drive Luxe Gold. And as you can see, the read speed is quite good of both of this pen drive. The EVM Elite is 129 Mbps for the read, and the SanDisk dual drive Luxe Gold is around 397.87, which is almost like 400 Mbps read speed. This is almost like a SSD category. And if you all want to connect to us, guys, and maybe ask us a few questions and all, you all can just contact us on WhatsApp. Okay, the link will be given in the description, so you all can check that out. And let me know if you all like this kind of videos, guys. And if you all do like this kind of videos, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell notification icon. And we are also active on social media, so you all can catch us at the rate Creative Soft on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And now it is called X, I guess. And let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using, and you all want to see us doing like a real world speed test, because that is coming too. So make sure that you all are subscribed and you all don't miss any other future videos. And when it comes to connecting TV and all, I feel you all should just go with the EVM Elite Dual, because it is cheaper alternative, it is well built, it is very compact. And especially those people who are using MP3s in your car and all, then just stick with the EVM, because you don't require that much of read write speed. And on a budget, EVM is a better deal. But as you can see, the write speed of the EVM is 85.94, which is almost like 86 Mbps, and the write speed of the dual drive Luxe Gold is 136.99, which is 137 Mbps. So in this, guys, the clear winner is the SanDisk dual drive Luxe Gold. So if you all are looking for the fastest pen drive which gets heated and all, then definitely go with the dual drive Luxe Gold, because the heating is on the Gold is not much, I feel. And EVM does not heat at all, guys. I mean, it is like the if you just run multiple benchmarks also, it is not going to get heated. So if getting heated is your like highest priority, like heat consumption or dissipation is your highest priority, you want a cooler drive, then just go for the EVM Elite Dual. And both of these are wonderfully built, so there is no comparison when it comes to the quality of both of this pen drive. And personally, I'm using both of this. So I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also do check out these other pen drive videos which we have it. And let me know in the comments below which one you all are thinking of purchasing, the EVM or the dual drive Luxe. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.